How can I fix error code 277 in Roblox?
Hey there, Roblox players! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to fix error code 277 in Roblox. If you've encountered this frustrating error message while trying to play your favorite games, don't worry. We've got you covered. Let's dive in and find out how to resolve this issue.
What is error code 277?
Error code 277, also known as the disconnected from the game error, is a common problem that many Roblox players face. This error occurs when your game connection is interrupted, resulting in your disconnection from the game server. It can be caused by various factors, such as poor internet connection, server issues, or conflicts with third-party software.
Troubleshooting steps.
Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you should do when encountering error code 277 is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection by testing it on other websites or applications. If your connection is weak or unstable, try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 2. Disable third-party software. Sometimes, third-party software, such as antivirus programs or VPNs, can interfere with your connection to Roblox servers, resulting in error code 277. Temporarily disable any such software and try running Roblox again. If the error is resolved, consider adding Roblox to the exception or whitelist list of your antivirus or firewall settings. Step 3. Clear Roblox cache. Clearing the cache can often resolve various Roblox errors, including error code 277. To clear the Roblox cache, follow these steps. 1. Close Roblox and any other related processes. 2. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. 3. Type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open the local app data folder. 4. Locate and open the Roblox folder. 5. Delete the logs and content folders within the Roblox folder. 6. Restart Roblox and check if the error persists. Step 4. Check Roblox server status. Sometimes, error code 277 can occur due to server issues on Roblox's end. To check if the problem is with the Roblox servers, visit the official Roblox status page or check community forums for any reported server outages or maintenance. If there is an ongoing issue, you will need to wait until it is resolved by Roblox. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If none of the previous steps have resolved the error, you can try reinstalling Roblox. Here's how you can do it. 1. Uninstall Roblox from your computer by going to Control Panel, Programs greater than uninstall a program, Windows, or using the appropriate method for your operating system. 2. Restart your computer. 3. Download the latest version of Roblox from the official Roblox website. 4. Install Roblox using the downloaded setup file. 5. Launch Roblox and see if the error code 277 persists. And that's it. You've reached the end of our video guide on how to fix error code 277 in Roblox. Remember to follow these troubleshooting steps. Check your internet connection, disable any conflicting third-party software, clear the Roblox cache, check server status, and reinstall Roblox if necessary. We hope this video has been helpful in resolving the issue and allowing you to enjoy your favorite Roblox games without any interruptions. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our